Hi everyone and welcome. This next dish originates from the Balkans. It's basically what they call a Chevap and SHOPSKA salad. I will use goat cheese instead of the kaymak cream cheese that the Serbians use because I like goat cheese. I hope you guys like it. It's really easy to prepare and really healthy. Let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, we're done. Chevap with SHOPSKA salad and goat cheese. Bon appetit guys.